Imagine a nation where timeless elegance meets modern-day economic puzzles. Welcome to Italy, a country celebrated for its monumental contributions to art, culture, and gastronomy, yet navigating through turbulent economic waters. This tale of contrasts, rich in heritage but entangled in financial woes, unfolds today on Apex Chronicles. Here, we delve deep into Italy's enigmatic economy, a tale of beauty and challenges interwoven in the very fabric of Europe's heartland. As dawn breaks over the rolling Tuscan hills and the bustling streets of Milan alike, Italy awakens to a reality filled with as much promise as there are predicaments. A nation with a storied past of renaissance and rebirth, today faces the daunting task of charting a path through towering national debt, the ripples of an aging population, stark disparities in income, and the brain drain phenomenon, where its brightest talents venture afar in pursuit of greener pastures. These issues, intertwined, not only hinder Italy's growth prospects, but also affect the broader European Union, EU, where Italy's economy is critical alongside behemoths like Germany and France. Drawing particular attention is Italy's sizable underground economy that, while contributing to its GDP, simultaneously showcases the potential for economic reform and more efficient governance. The historical pathway of Italy's economy, post-World War II, is essential to dissect, highlighting the variegated periods of economic highs and lows. The restructuring opportunities brought by the Marshall Plan and the nation's remarkable industrialization illuminate these cycles of expansion and stagnation, a historical lens providing useful insights into the current state of affairs. Analyzing the periods of economic slowdown reveals a tapestry of causes: political unrest, stringent economic policies, and the global shift towards a service-oriented economy, which Italy was slow to adapt to. These recessive phases were often exacerbated by global market forces. Globalization and offshoring worked against Italy's traditional industries, and restrictive trade policies sometimes backfired, further impeding growth. A history of economic policy missteps, several of which resulted in scandals and administrative mismanagement, echoes through to today's Italy, where economic inertia seems to have taken a firm hold. Yet beyond the ledger books and GDP figures, the everyday Italian faces the societal repercussions of these economic conditions. With high poverty rates, the populace endures the consequences of economic policy and systemic failures. The disparity evident across varying socio-economic strata hints at a wider European challenge of balancing economic integration with national prosperity. In visiting Italy's vibrant city centers and struggling rural locales, these contrasts become stark, leaving one to ponder the true measure of wealth in a society. Learning from Italy's experience is crucial for other nations navigating the perils of managing aging populations, ballooning debt, and the relentless pace of globalization. As global economic forces continue to shift, Italy's path forward is one of potential rejuvenation or continued stagnation, a case study in the effects of policy, demographic pressures, and global economic trends. For those seeking to delve into the nuances of this compelling Italian economic narrative, the role of independent news is indispensable. Grand News stands as a bastion, underlining the essence of unbiased and investigative journalism. Through its unwavering commitment to providing in-depth and unfettered views, Grand News is an ally to those yearning to understand Italy's complex economic tapestry. It plays a pivotal role in informing decisions and fostering a public that is more enlightened about the economic interplays defining their world, a world in which Italy is an important piece of the global puzzle. In the intricate tapestry of Italy's economy, the allure of the Made in Italy label stands as a testament to the nation's enduring brand prestige. This coveted hallmark signals an assurance of quality that has, intriguingly, enabled Italian products to transcend the competitive pressures of price wars that beleaguer many global markets. From the opulence of luxury fashion and automobiles to the craftsmanship evident in everyday items, Italy has skillfully commanded a premium on its goods, appealing to an international clientele that cherishes the blend of tradition, innovation, and excellence. This strategic positioning not only underscores Italy's unique value proposition, but also underpins significant economic advantages, allowing the nation to carve out a lucrative niche in the global economy. However, the journey to this distinguished standing has been marred by various economic trials. Italy's post-World War II era was earmarked by significant economic expansion, yet it simultaneously sowed the seeds of current challenges, including burgeoning national debt and rampant tax avoidance. As Italy eyed entry into the Eurozone, it embarked on a series of rigorous economic reforms aimed at stabilizing its economic landscape. The transition necessitated difficult adjustments, but ultimately facilitated Italy's entry into the Eurozone, heralding a phase of economic resurgence marked by increased foreign investment and smoother trade under the Euro banner. Yet, the euphoria was short-lived. The late 1990s and early 2000s saw the Italian economy grappling with stagnation, a situation exacerbated by the global financial crisis, GFC. The Eurozone membership, while initially a boon, later proved to be a double-edged sword during the GFC, further straining Italy's economic resilience. Presently, Italy contends with a pressing demographic concern, an aging population threatening the vitality of its workforce and imposing severe restraints on economic growth. Professor Belleri's insights on the ensuing brain drain, with young, skilled Italians leaving in search of better opportunities, highlights a critical challenge to Italy's future economic vitality. Simultaneously, the structural makeup of Italy's economy, characterized by an overwhelming presence of small businesses, poses unique challenges for productivity levels and efficient tax collection. Moreover, a noticeable discrepancy in technology adoption contrasts sharply with Italy's international repute for quality, underscoring a tension between maintaining artisanal excellence and embracing industrial efficiency. Pervading these economic and structural challenges is the considerable impact of Italy's informal economy. The black market, particularly pronounced in the southern regions, not only significantly erodes tax revenues, but also exacerbates social disparities between the more affluent north and the economically deprived south, thus highlighting broader societal issues. At this critical juncture, Italy finds itself at a crossroads, facing difficult economic strategies that necessitate choosing between raising taxes, curtailing public spending, or persisting with the status quo. Each option carries its own set of potential consequences and opportunities for reform. Looking ahead, amidst the labyrinth of challenges, lies the question of whether Italy can recapture the economic vibrancy of its past. The answer lies in balancing the preservation of its renowned Made in Italy brand ethos with the imperative need for structural reforms. These would encompass bolstering the efficiency of small businesses, navigating the demographic shifts, and integrating advanced technologies without eroding the craftsmanship that underpins its luxury sectors. By addressing these issues head-on, Italy could potentially chart a course toward rejuvenating its economy, thus replicating its past successes in a vastly changed global landscape. Nonetheless, the path forward is fraught with complexities that require astute policymaking, adaptability, and an unwavering commitment to economic innovation and inclusivity, an important piece of the global puzzle. In the end, Italy's journey encapsulates more than just an economic puzzle. It's a testament to resilience, creativity, and the unyielding spirit of a nation that continues to influence the global tapestry in profound ways. Thank you for joining us on Apex Chronicles as we traverse the complex economic landscape of Italy. From historical successes to present challenges and the road ahead, we hope you've gained insights into the paradox that defines this beautiful country. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like this video and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Remember, your engagement helps us explore more stories that matter. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge beyond boundaries.